Side hustles have become more popular than ever, especially with the emergence of the gig economy and the internet. People are now looking for ways to earn some extra cash while doing what they love. We'll be exploring some creative and innovative ideas that can help you generate passive income, which can eventually replace your full-time job. Let's dive into the 50 latest and top side hustles to make $10 per day on Autopilot. Sell digital products. The digital products like ebooks, courses, printables, and templates can be sold on platforms like Gumroad, Etsy, and Shopify, generating passive income for you. Affiliate marketing. Become an affiliate marketer by promoting other people's products and earning a commission for every sale made through your unique link. Niche blog. Start a niche blog and write articles that solve people's problems. Use ads and affiliate links to monetize your blog. Online courses. Create an online course on platforms like Udemy and Skillshare and earn a passive income from every student who enrolls in your course. Online store. Start an online store selling physical products and use dropshipping to handle shipping and logistics. Print on demand. Create designs for products like t-shirts, mugs, and phone cases, and use a print-on-demand service of Printful to handle the manufacturing and shipping. Social media management. Manage social media accounts for businesses and earn a monthly retainer fee. Virtual assistant. Work as a virtual assistant and help businesses with administrative tasks like data entry, mail management, and scheduling. Freelance write articles for blogs, magazines, and websites, and get paid per word. Graphic design. Create logos, branding materials, and marketing collaterals for businesses and earn a fee for every project. Podcasting. Start a podcast and monetize it through sponsorships and ads. App development. Create mobile apps for businesses or for your own idea and earn a passive income from the App Store. So consulting. Help businesses improve their search engine ranking and earn a fee for every project. Translation services. Work as a freelance translator and translate documents from one language to another. Stock photography. Take high quality photos and sell non-stock photography platforms like Shutstock, Stockphoto, and Getty Images. Online tutoring to students online on platforms like Tate and Tutor Me and earn a fee for every session. Voiceover work. Work as a voiceover artist and lend your voice to commercials, audiobooks, and videos. Drop service and offer services like web design, social media management, and sell optimization to businesses and outsource the work to freelancers, earning a commission for every project. Chatbot creation. Create chatbots for businesses and earn a fee for every project. Data analysis. Help businesses analyze their data and make informed decisions, earning a fee for every project. Social media advertising. Run social media ads for businesses and earn a percent of the ad spend. Podcast editing. Offer podcast edit services and earn a fee for every project. Stock video footage. Shoot high quality video footage and sell it on platforms like Shutterstock and Getty Images. Email marketing. Create and run email marketing campaigns for businesses and earn a fee for every project. Video editing. Offer video edited services and earn a fee for every project. Amazon FBA. Start an Amazon FBA business and earn passive income by selling products on the world's largest online marketplace. Social media influencer. Become a social media influencer by creating content that resonates with your audience and collaborate with brands for sponsored posts. Online coaching. Offer coaching services online on platforms like Coach. Me and a fee for every session. Content writing. Write content for businesses like website copy, product descriptions, and blog posts and a fee per project. Virtual event planning. Help businesses plan and organize virtual events like webinars, conferences, and workshops and earn a fee for every project. Online research. Help businesses with online research and data collection and earn a fee for every project. Online surveys. Participate in online surveys and earn money for your opinions and feedback. E-commerce consulting. Help businesses improve their e-commerce operations and a fee for every project. Online transcription. Transcribe audio and video recordings for businesses and earn a fee per project. Influencer marketing. Work with businesses to create influencer marketing campaigns and a percentage of the campaign spend. Online bookkeeping. Help businesses with bookkeeping and accounting tasks and earn a fee for every project. Online legal services. Offer legal services like contract drafting and review and earn a fee for every project. Online fitness coaching. Offer virtual fitness coaching services and earn a fee for every session. Virtual interior design. Help people with virtual interior design services and earn a fee per project. Website testing. Test websites for businesses and provide feedback, earning a fee for every project. Online copy editing. Help businesses with copy editing, like proofreading and formatting, and earn a fee per project. Online art selling. Sell digital or physical art online and earn a commission for every sale. Online data entry. Help businesses with data entry tasks like entering data into spreadsheets and earn a fee per project. Online travel planning. Help people plan their trips and earn a fee per project. Online language teaching. Teach a language online and earn a fee per session. Online research paper writing. Write research papers for students and earn a fee per project. Online legal document preparation. Help people prepare legal documents like wills and trusts and earn a fee per project. Online stock trading. Invest in stocks online and earn a passive income from dividends and capital gains. Online advertising. Help businesses with online advertising campaigns and a fee per project. Online real estate investing. Invest in real estate online and earn a passive income from rental income and appreciation. There are many untapped side hustles that can help you make $10 per day on Autopilot without any investment. The key is to find something that you're passionate about and leverage the power of the internet to reach a wider audience. Whether you're a writer, designer, consultant, or teacher, there's a side hustle out there that can help you achieve financial freedom and live life on your own terms. So pick a side hustle from this list or come up with your own idea and start building your passive income stream today.